Have you ever been deep into a conversation with an AI only for it to completely forget a critical instruction you gave it like an hour ago? It's so frustrating. Well, today we're going to dive into something called Lossless Claw. It's a technology that promises to give AI agents a perfect, permanent memory. Let's find out how it actually works. So, to really get why this is such a game changer, we first need to talk about a problem. A really frustrating experience that I'm pretty sure every single AI user has had. It's a problem that's baked right into the design of most AI agents today. There's a saying that just captures this perfectly. The longer you work with an AI agent, the dumber it gets. You know the feeling, right? The more context you feed it, the more history you build up, the more it seems to just forget. All your brilliant ideas, those specific rules you set, poof, gone, as if they never even happened. So what's actually going on under the hood? Well, the technical reason for all this is something called the context window. The easiest way to think about it is as the AI's short-term memory. The thing is, it's a fixed size, and once it's full, the AI has to start making space. The real question is, how does it decide what to get rid of? Well, the standard industry solution is something called the sliding window approach. And while it definitely keeps the conversation going, it's a deeply, deeply flawed method that actually creates the very problem we're all trying to solve. So here's how it works. When the AI's short-term memory gets totally full, it just deletes the oldest messages. Simple as that. This process is called truncation, and it literally just chops off the beginning of your conversation to make room for the new stuff. And the consequence of this is pretty brutal. That information isn't just summarized or put on the back burner. It is permanently lost. Gone. The AI forgets what you told it, you have to waste time repeating yourself, and trying to do complex, long-term projects becomes next to impossible. But what if there was a better way? A smarter way? This is exactly where Lossless Claw enters the picture. It's a plugin that's designed to completely replace that old destructive method. So instead of just deleting old messages, Lossless Claw intercepts them. It uses this really clever system to summarize them, making sure that the core information is preserved forever. This whole idea is called lossless context management, and the name really says it all. Lossless means nothing, and I mean nothing, is ever thrown away. Every single original message is kept, safe and sound, in a database. Okay, so how does it actually build this perfect memory? The technology behind it is both super elegant and incredibly powerful. It uses a data structure called a Directed Acyclic Graph, or DAG for short. Now, that might sound really complicated, but the concept is actually pretty intuitive when you think of it like building a pyramid. Let's break down this memory pyramid. So at the very foundation, every single raw message is saved forever. Nothing gets deleted. As your conversation grows, chunks of those messages are condensed into detailed summaries. That's the first layer. Then those summaries are themselves summarized into a broader narrative. This process continues layer after layer until you reach the very peak, a single high-level story of the entire conversation. It's such a brilliant way to handle it, right? You're layering context instead of just deleting it. So let's just put them side by side. The old way deletes things forever. The lossless way preserves absolutely everything. The old way forgets key context. The new way can recall any detail you throw at it. It's really the difference between having a flat, incomplete history and a layered, complete one. Look, this isn't just some minor technical improvement. It fundamentally changes the entire experience of working with an AI. It creates a new reality where you can finally trust your AI partner to remember everything. The project's documentation puts it perfectly. It feels like talking to an agent that never forgets, because it doesn't. The result is an AI that feels reliable and consistent long-term, because its memory is no longer a liability. So what does this actually mean for you? Well, it means the agent can recall any detail on command. It can drill down through all those pyramid layers to find the original source message. It means you never have to repeat yourself. And maybe most importantly, those complex multi-day or even multi-week projects, they finally become feasible. Of course, a system this powerful isn't without its costs. It's really important to understand the trade-offs that come with creating a perfect memory for an AI. There are two main ones. First, that whole process of creating summaries, they call it compaction, it adds a little bit of a delay to the conversation. And second, the quality of the AI's memory is only as good as the language model that's doing the summarizing. So a poor summary means you might lose some of that fine-grained detail in its memory. But hey, Even with those trade-offs, the implications are huge. This really moves us from treating AIs as tools with short-term memory to genuine partners in long-term complex work. So the final question to think about is this. If an AI can truly remember everything, what does that change about how we build, create, and solve problems with them?